Hello, Michael.
Hello, Christine.
How are you?
Doing great, and you?
Fine.
Good.
So we're just waiting for Daniel.
Oh, I thought he was already with you.
No. Sorry, I'll send another invite to Daniel. Okay. I emailed the beginning of our make an inference document to you.
Yeah, I saw it. I just saw it.
Okay. So when you have time, hey Will, just do the information. Okay, Will, go out of the room. Okay, we might have a stalker in the background. Okay.
Yeah, I can see him.
Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Yeah, I'm doing great. You?
Fine. I just have to go somewhere with my grandkids today, so that's
Oh, okay, no problem.
so
Yes,
I
I'm doing.
apologize. So, okay, I sent the inference document so we can go over that, or Michael, hopefully it's self-explanatory what is needed. So let's just go over the group meeting quiz and then maybe meet again for inference.
Okay.
Okay.
Since Michael only has a few minutes.
So for the inference, when are you going to submit it?
We have to submit it by Saturday.
This coming Saturday?
Yes. So I started filling out the form, and
Okay.
we need, if Michael could write up that we need to first do the categorical to proportion numbers, and then we need to then describe what we found, and then we need to do then I think the last half. There was just a couple that's filling in all the numbers and all that of the information.
Okay. Okay, no problem. So what we're going to do is maybe if he's having some any challenges, he can just figure out to us so that we can also help along.
Yeah. So Michael, if you can work on it and then email us.
So, yeah, what exactly am I supposed to do? Like,
look
talk now.
Look at the document I sent you.
yeah, I'm looking at it.
Can you do the calculations for the categorical to proportion test?
No, I don't think so. This one's, I don't know, kind of difficult for me to do it. But Christine, can you help with that? Hello?
Yes, I think I can help with that. And then we need to do the write-up about what the information is telling us. If we were good with our hypothesis, or if we were way off basis. So then we have to decide if we fail to reject or reject the null hypothesis.
Okay.
But we can do more. We just need to send documentation back and forth via email.
Okay. Yes, maybe when you do your write-up and you feel like there's something that we need to add, you can just mail us, okay? So we can also have an input on that. Or maybe probably you can call me on phone so we talk.
All right.
Okay?
Okay. And then I'll submit it for everybody. The final one.
No problem.
Okay.
The last one we got 80%, right?
Correct. On collect the data. So I resubmitted that, and we should have 100% again.
Oh, okay, no problem. So we are waiting for 100.
Yes. Yes, we need that 100%.
Okay, yeah. Okay, so are we to go?
Yes, let's go over the quiz.
Okay. Y shape. Point. Okay, so question 3 says, given the linear, how do you call it?
Equation?
Yes.
Regression
Given
equation.
the regression equation, y equal 2.0 plus 1.5x, what is the y-intercept? The y-intercept will be probably 2.0.
Yes.
The y-intercept is 2.0. Yes, I'm on it. I'm on question 9 now.
Okay.
So
I'm getting of 2.0 or 2 for the y-intercept.
Yes.
For the question 3. Okay. So question 4, I'm getting 1.5.
Yes.
Okay.
So do I.
Okay. Then question 6 is 5 is 1. 1.0. Okay. So 6 is going to hot dog shape.
Yes.
So 7 is going to be the first one. Linear regression is appropriate for this data.
Yes.
8 is 139.
So I have a question. I have
Okay.
139 too, but do we double it because you have 139 for one of the categories and 139 for the other, or is it just straight 139?
It's just straight.
Okay.
So that's where I'm on the question 9 now. For 9, I have not done it.
9, I got 1.296. Let me see if it rounds. Yeah, I got 1.29.
9?
Yeah, 1.
Sure.
So 1.296.
9.
Question 9?
Yes, question 9.
Check it out.
So you guys check it out. I put it on the Excel spreadsheet.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
So 9.
Oh, okay. Excellent. Okay.
9 point.
No,
1.296.
1.296.
I think it should be more than that.
I'm confused.
Yeah, it should be more than that.
What did you say you get? 9 point.
No, 1.296.
Here, let me.
1.296. No, go over again. Go over with your Excel again.
Okay.
Because you get a slope to be 12. How do you call it? The observation data to be 139. I don't think the y-intercept is going to be 9. No. 1. No. Check it out.
Okay, so this, if you see on the computer,
okay,
I put in the information, and it says the y-intercept.
Okay.
That's the information I got. So did I put it incorrectly in the?
Well, I think it should be close to something like 18.690. I don't know.
Something like that. Something more than, I think something more than 18 point.
So
it's going to be more than 18. Well, okay, we can just leave that one.
Okay. So then you won't like my slope as 0.042 then. So
well, the two of you can go ahead and then do it.
No. For the slope, no, it's wrong. No, I don't think so. Well, it might be right, but in my opinion, I don't think so.
Okay, and you're usually better at this than I am, so.
Because well, okay.
Okay, well,
Let's
Well,
make a
I'm getting
progress.
something like 18.690.
okay.
Yes, I think that's a rare intercept. So I'm really confused about maybe today Excel is getting something wrong for you,
Yeah, maybe I didn't.
Christine.
Yeah.
All right, so we
Mm,
can move on to another question and then
Yeah, then how about go down
okay,
to
no problem.
12?
So let's move on to the question 13 since we are getting the data wrong back
Yeah.
and forth because it is going to be the same on the value of y and x. So let's move on to 13.
Okay.
Okay, how many explanatory into bracket independent variables are present in the simple linear regression? Isn't it one?
yeah, it's one.
1. Okay.
So how many response dependent variables are present in simple linear? The same question is like one,
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
And 13, I chose the first one, the size of the
Yeah,
heart,
the size
because
of
it
the
is
heart
the
because yeah.
Okay.
so let me see. Work x and y values are. Right.
Okay, guys, can I leave
Let
now?
me see.
Yes. Thank you, Michael.
Thank you very
Oh, okay, no problem. You can go. So, Christine,
Yeah, so I'll have to re-input stuff on the
no, Michael left. Michael
Yes,
left.
Michael
Okay.
left. Yes. So I'll figure out what I did wrong with my numbers.
Oh, okay. So what I'm getting is let me see. After my plotting my graph, let me get you the actual figure so that maybe the ones that I got.
Okay.
So maybe after coming. Just a minute.
I don't know how to do the one about the 1 through 6 number. I think is that number 12.
Yes, sometimes. Okay, let me check it out. For the okay, we're all confused from number 9, right?
Yeah, clear.
Okay. So number 9, I'm getting an intercept of 18.690.
Okay. So why am I
Then
just
the 10,
So how did you do
the
that
10.
by hand?
Okay, by hand, I used, how do you call it? Graph, personal graph. I drew the graph on the book. Yes. After getting, how do you call it? The y and the x value.
Yeah.
After getting from the number 3, after getting the y-intercept and also getting the x-intercept.
Right.
And how do you call it? The intercept for the question 5. What I did is I copied the equation y is equal to 2.0 plus 1.5. Then I multiply the value of x. I multiplied the
Okay.
value of x by 1.5, then I added 2.0. Then I got the y-intercept that I'm going to use to plot the graph for the question 3. Then I did for the question 2, I did same for the question 2. Then I got the intercept. Then I also came back to do for the question 5, and I got the intercept. Then after that, what I did was, for me to get a value of y, I need to use those numbers to plot the graph.
Okay.
Are you hearing me? Okay, so after plotting the graph, then I locate where y intercepted, and that's what I got. On
Okay.
the graph, yes.
On the
That's
graph.
manually. Yes, on the graph. But I'm not familiar with Excel. So as for Excel,
Yeah. So
I cannot talk about
I like Excel if you can just plug everything in. So, okay.
Okay, so what we're going to do is maybe one day, and I don't know how to plug the graph on the computer too. You understand?
Right.
So maybe what I'm going to do is maybe one day when I'm doing, I'll just video it so that I can just post it to you. So you have
Okay.
a look at it.
Okay.
I think
So
that one.
that would help. So, is number 12 then to do it manually to figure it out?
Yes. Okay, so for you to get a 12, you need to get all the numbers from 9. No, you need to get the numbers from 8, 9, 10, and 11 for you to calculate for the value of y on the number 12.
Okay.
Well, when I'm using the normal graph, that's what I do. Okay, but as for Excel, it's very, very different.
Yeah. So what did you get for number
Yes.
12, or have you not figured it out?
Yes, I got 94.859. And yes.
Okay. 1 to 6.
So I'm trying to submit it. I'm trying to submit it and see my correct score.
Okay. I'll wait for you.
Okay, no problem. So let me check my internet. Wait for me for a second. Let me submit it.
Okay.
But I know I'm going to get all 15 over 15. Yes, 100%. I know, I'm sure. Okay, so continue. So, all right, submit. Go to submit quiz. Okay, submit quiz. I told you.
You got 100%.
You can have a look at it. Yes.
Okay.
Are you seeing it?
Yes. So okay. So what, I don't know why it's not working on the stupid Excel. So number 9 is 18.690.
Mm-hmm.
And then what's 10 then? If
12.695.
12.695. Okay, and then I should be able to figure out and 9 was 18.690.
Yes.
Okay, I'll do the math and I'll figure out 11 by myself. And then 12 was
Okay.
94.849.
859.
859. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I've got to talk to the teacher and ask me why the heck. I mean, that's a huge difference off.
No problem.
Must be doing it wrong. Okay.
All right.
That's why I want you guys to do the numbers on the lovely final project. So.
Okay.
Okay. So.
No problem.
Yeah, if we all work on the inference page, and then we can share documents and then come to a conclusion.
Mm-hmm.
So we'll do that then.
Okay, no problem. So see you then.
Okay, thanks, Dan.
Maybe hoping to exchange emails. Okay.
Okay, bye-bye.
All right.